Hi students, in this session we are going to learn about how NaCl, which is common salt, is being a raw material for the preparation of various substances such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder and all. So in the nalume, how you are preparing அப்படின்றத தான் பார்க்க போறோம். The first idea is preparation of sodium hydroxide. We know that NaCl is sodium chloride and this is common salt, and this is obtained by the neutralization reaction between HCl and NaOH. So what do you obtain? You will get NaCl plus H2O, and this is a neutralization reaction. HCl is a strong acid and NaOH is a strong base. So obviously this salt is neutral in nature. In the NaCl pathina, it is otherwise called as brine, and idanuடைய aqueous solution la I am going to pass electricity, and due to the passage of electricity it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide, and this process is called chlor-alkali process. In the reaction la pathina, see, aqueous solution H2O is added to NaCl. Aqueous solution of NaCl, when electricity is passed, in that case you get NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Cl2 is chlorine gas and H2 is hydrogen gas. So sodium hydroxide oda setu you are getting chlorine, right? Sodium hydroxide is an alkali. Soluble bases are called alkali. So that is why it is called chlor-alkali process, because you are obtaining chlorine gas as well as an alkali as an end product of this particular reaction. As chlorine and an alkali has got formed, chlor-alkali process it is called as. இப்ப இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த chlorine gas எங்க வெளியே வரும்னா anode, and hydrogen gas will come out at cathode, and sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. So please remember these ideas. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா at cathode you are getting hydrogen gas, at anode you are getting chlorine gas and NaOH is obtained, right? இது எல்லாத்தனுடைய uses they have given us. What are the uses? Hydrogen gas is used in fuels, in margarine and ammonia for preparation of fertilizers. Chlorine gas, it is used for water treatment, swimming pools, PVC, disinfectant manufacturing, CFCs and pesticides manufacturing. NaOH, it is used in degreasing metals, soaps and detergents, paper making, artificial fibers. Don't just think I'm reading out all the uses. You make sure that you remember which is used for what. In a questions like kekumodhu, the element which is obtained as a byproduct of chlor-alkali process and is used in water treatment, அப்படின் question ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க. So you should be able to relay the element that is used for water treatment, or the compound that you obtain by chlor-alkali process which is used in water treatment is chlorine gas. So அதில இருந்து அதுக்கு அடுத்த லெவல் என்ன question கேக்குறாங்களோ அதை you should be able to answer. நான் முதல்ல இதனுடைய uses என்னன்றதை you should be able to realize. Hydrochloric acid, bleach, that is H2Cl2. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து யூஸ் பண்ணி from that we derive hydrochloric acid. From Cl2 and NaOH we are preparing bleach. So the first subheading பார்த்தாச்சு sodium hydroxide preparation, ரெண்டாவது bleaching powder. So how is bleaching powder obtained அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, from the chlor-alkali process of NaCl you get chlorine gas, இல்லையா? This chlorine gas, when it is treated with calcium hydroxide, it gives you bleaching powder, which is CaOCl2. It is represented as CaOCl2. Which one? Bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride nu sollalam idu, right? So here you obtain calcium oxychloride as a byproduct of calcium hydroxide treated with chlorine gas. So how do you obtain bleaching powder from sodium chloride nu ketangana, previous equation எழுதிட்டு and then you have to write this equation. Bleaching powder oda uses என்னன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. See, the bleaching of cotton, linen in textile industry, இது நமக்கே தெரியும். நல்லா whiten பண்றதுக்காக cotton, linen in textile industry will be using bleaching powder. Apart from that, it is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, And this part we already know of. What is it? For disinfecting drinking water and to make it free of germs. Which one you are using? Bleaching powder. So these three uses we have to memorize. At times this question has been asked as a 3-mark question. How is bleaching powder prepared and what are its uses? So obviously you are expected to write all the uses when it is a 3-mark question. So make sure you remember all the uses for all the salts that we are going to see henceforth. The third heading that we are seeing is baking soda. How baking soda is obtained from sodium chloride. See, sodium chloride, I am going to treat it with ammonia in the presence of carbon dioxide and water. When NaCl is treated with ammonia in the presence of carbon dioxide and water, you get ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. And this sodium hydrogen carbonate is a base and it is a mild non-corrosive base. This sodium hydrogen carbonate, when it is heated, it gives you Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. So what is this? When this sodium hydrogen carbonate gets heated, it gives you sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. So the sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is otherwise called baking soda, when it is used in cooking and when it is heated, you tend to get carbon dioxide gas released. In the carbon dioxide gas, cakes it will come out in the gaseous state and thereby it will give you small pores in the bread or the cake. That's why fluffy. So baking soda use panna nalla fluffy bussun varathu kaaranam enama because of the release of carbon dioxide, then baking soda is heated. Here are some uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate. For making baking powder, baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking powder it is a mixture of baking soda and mild edible acids such as tartaric acid. Tartaric acid edhula irukum? Tamarind la irukum. Right? So mild edible acid plus the baking soda, which is sodium hydrogen carbonate, gives you what? Baking powder. And the baking powder, when I add it to the cooking process and when it is heated, what will happen is you will get again carbon dioxide liberated and also sodium salt of that particular acid. In the H plus it is not a strong acid that we could use here because it's for cooking purpose. Inge use mild edible acid. Carbon dioxide produced during this reaction causes the bread or cake to rise and makes them soft and spongy. The second use given to us is, it's an ingredient in antacids. Antacids na enama? Gelusil and the madri. So, the acidity of our stomach correct. Acidity inside our stomach is due to HCl. This already in life process. So, HCl is an acid which is secreted inside our stomach. Adanode and the acidic nature neutralize pandradhukaga we have to take in some base. Adukku use pandra base la one of the component is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, it is alkaline and therefore it neutralizes the excess acids in the stomach and it provides relief. And the last use is, it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Soda acid fire extinguisher. Soda, it is nothing but this baking soda or you can say NaHCO3. Adu kuda acid irukku. Okay. So what will happen when these two react with each other? For sure you know when baking soda reacts with acid, you will have carbon dioxide gas to come out. Ilya? And carbon dioxide gas is used in fire extinguishers. So you know, fire extinguisher open panni on panona, adalanda carbon dioxide gas veliye varum and thereby it extinguishes the fire as carbon dioxide is a non-supporter of combustion. Correct? So, in the soda, it will be some kind of a can. You will have two layers. In one layer, you will have soda and the other layer, you will have acid. And when we are opening it, this partition breaks and you will have the soda mix up with the acid and thereby the liberated carbon dioxide comes out of the tin can. It is not that the carbon dioxide fire extinguishers is filled with carbon dioxide. No, it is actually filled with soda and acid and when you release the knob, the two react with each other which in turn produces a huge amount of carbon dioxide which gets released from the nozzle. So this is the idea about fire extinguisher, soda acid fire extinguisher. So totally 3 uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda we have seen. One is for baking, the other one is for antacid, and the third one is for soda acid fire extinguisher. The last salt, see, washing soda. This is obtained by adding 10 molecules of water to sodium carbonate. So sodium carbonate dot 10 molecules of water as water of crystallization will give you what? This is washing soda. Sodium carbonate plus 10 molecules of water of crystallization gives you what? Washing soda. இப்போ இந்த washing soda ஓட uses என்னென்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, sodium carbonate, which is washing soda, is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is also used in sodium compounds such as borax and is also used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Cleaning agent for domestic purposes உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், washing soda clean பண்ண யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு வீட்ல, right? It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. This is also known. ஏன்னா salt water that is present in our houses, that will work good with detergents and washing soda, but soap will not work good with that. ஏன்னா this washing soda can easily remove the permanent hardness of water and thereby the clothes can be washed properly. But rather normal soap use பண்ணோம்னா that will form scum with hard water. அதனால்தான் soap is different from that of washing soda when it comes to cleaning purposes. So these are the 4 uses that we have seen for washing soda. There is one major important question which is repeatedly asked. How do you obtain washing soda from NaCl? இப்போ இந்த equation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sodium carbonate லேருந்து எப்படி obtain பண்றோம்னு தான் வந்திருக்கு. From NaCl, how do you obtain this? அப்படின்றத we are going to see next. So how do we obtain washing soda from NaCl or brine? So first step, எனக்கு இங்க Na2CO3 எதுல இருந்து கிடைக்குதுன்னா, NaHCO3 heat பண்ணா I'm getting Na2CO3 இல்லையா? Again, this NaHCO3 is obtained from NaCl. You are giving the sequence from NaCl to Na2CO3.10H2O. So all these 3 equations will be mentioned when they ask you to identify how you obtain washing soda from brine. So this equation is for preparation of baking soda and this is like usage of baking soda kind of equation. இது ரெண்டுத்துலந்தும் again you are getting what? Na2CO3. Other when it gets added to 10H2O molecules, it becomes Na2CO3.10H2O, which is washing soda. So this is a repeatedly asked 3 or even 5 mark question when it comes to acid base and salts. So students, prepare well for this last part of acid base and salts because many questions on board examination is based on this last part of this unit.